Welcome back to Future Car, your home for the most exciting innovations in the auto world. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Audi RS, a machine that's not just a car, but a bold statement of what performance luxury should feel like in the near future. From the first glance, the 2026 Audi RS demands your attention. The front fascia is sharper and more aerodynamic than ever before. A redesigned honeycomb grille, laser-cut LED matrix headlights, and functional air vents give it a menacing edge. It's wider, lower, and leaner, clearly sculpted to cut through the air and dominate the road. But what makes the 2026 RS truly impressive isn't just how it looks, it's what's hiding beneath the hood. Audi has packed this beast with a next-generation hybrid V8 powertrain, combining combustion performance with electric efficiency. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower, pushing this car from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. And with Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive, this isn't just about speed, it's about complete control. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that blends futuristic design with pure driver focus. A curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, merging digital instrumentation with entertainment. Haptic touch surfaces replace traditional buttons, and sustainable materials give the interior a premium yet eco-conscious feel. Audi has also re-engineered their virtual cockpit, integrating AI-assisted driving modes and real-time performance analytics. Whether you're on a track or navigating city streets, the 2026 RS adapts to you. This car is more than evolution. It's a revolution. The perfect fusion of aggressive performance, intelligent technology, and unmistakable Audi styling. The future of high-performance driving is here, and it's wearing the RS badge. Make sure to subscribe to Future Car and stay tuned, because we're just getting started.